Hey explorers, welcome back to the channel. If you think you know the story of Three-Eye Atlas, get ready, because the latest news is shattering expectations and rewriting the rulebook of astrophysics. On October 29th, Atlas passed its closest point to the Sun, and astronomers immediately saw something that made them stop in their tracks. The object was 4 arcseconds off its predicted path. That sounds tiny, but in precision astronomy, it's a giant red flag. It means some invisible force is pushing it, and this isn't normal. This single event has kicked off what might be the biggest scientific mystery of our lifetime. But here's the moment of truth that changes everything. For that push to happen naturally, Atlas would have had to shed 5 billion tons of material, a gigantic cloud of debris. In just a few weeks, on December 19th, Atlas makes its closest pass to Earth. If our telescopes see that cloud, one puzzle is solved. But if there's no debris, we will have official proof of an object accelerating through space without losing mass. That's a paradox that breaks physics as we know it. To understand why even top scientists like Harvard's Avi Loeb are seriously considering this might be artificial, we need to look at the evidence. It's not just one anomaly, it's a list, and each one gets stranger than the last. The first anomaly is the impossible trajectory. Atlas is flying backwards against the flow of the planets, but it's also perfectly aligned with our solar system's plane. The odds of that happening naturally are just 0.2%. It's like throwing a basketball over your shoulder from across the court and having it land perfectly in the hoop. The second anomaly is the sun-facing jet. Between July and August, Atlas developed a jet pointing towards the sun, the exact opposite of what comets do, defying basic physics. The third is the size and speed paradox. This thing is 1,000,000 times more massive than Oumuamua, but it's also moving faster. In nature, bigger things tend to move slower, so it's like finding a blue whale that can outrun a cheetah, with the probability of this combo being less than 0.1%. Fourth is the perfect cosmic timing. Atlas arrived at the exact moment to make close passes of Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, while also becoming completely invisible from Earth during its closest approach to the Sun. Imagine a cosmic alignment so perfect it feels scripted, like something out of a Marvel movie. The odds are a staggering 0.005%. The fifth anomaly is the strange metallic composition. Analysis shows Atlas contains far more nickel than iron, in a ratio that looks more like industrial alloys we produce here on Earth. It's not a natural signature. Sixth is the stone iceberg. Comets are supposed to be dirty snowballs, but Atlas is just 4% water, like finding an iceberg that is 96% solid rock, challenging the very definition of a comet. Seventh is it twists light in a new way, exhibiting extreme negative polarization never seen in any other object in space. Eighth, it came from the WOW signal. The origin point of Atlas in the sky is the same region as the infamous WOW signal of 1977, an intersection of space and time and heavy speculation. And finally, the ninth anomaly is the impossible blue glow. As it neared the sun, Atlas brightened in an unprecedented way and started glowing bluer than our own star, for which scientists have no explanation. So when you put all of that together, these 9 anomalies that defy our understanding of the universe, you see why the December 19th flyby is so critical. If we look for that 5 billion ton debris cloud and it isn't there, that will be the 10th anomaly, the final piece of the puzzle. An object that moves on its own. Professor Avi Loeb argues that when data doesn't fit our theories, we must consider new hypotheses, no matter how wild they may seem. Just as Galileo was ridiculed for saying the Earth moved, and Einstein was mocked for his theories of relativity. New anomalies demand new ideas, and the world is paying attention. Social media is exploding with theories, from jokes about buying Christmas presents to people seriously wondering if Elon Musk is secretly involved. You have skeptics, dreamers, meme makers, and scientists all staring at the same mystery. So here's the message to you, the community. Don't just watch, but participate. Drop your wildest theory or your best meme in the comments. Share this video everywhere. TikTok, Reddit, Discord. Let's get everyone talking about this. Subscribe and hit that bell, because our December follow-up video could be the story that changes everything. Tag me on social media with your predictions, and get ready for our next episode, Atlas: The Verdict. This isn't just a rock, it's a puzzle for all humanity. And in a few weeks, we might just get an answer. Stay curious.